Ayan mga kasasi, second day namin dito sa buffet na aming kinakainan. Ayan. Lunch, ang breakfast namin, ayan, may pansit, may bola-bola sauce, sweet and sour sauce. Tapos ayan, salad.
Napulo ko mainit.
Ayan, dessert naman tayo, fruits, mga kasasi. Tapos na ako ng, nakapag-soup na ako. Ayan, egg. Nakapag-breakfast na ako. Ito naman, dessert naman tayo mga kasasi. Ayan. Second day here in Danang. Dito sa hotel. Nagila Hotel. Ayan. Good morning mga kasasi. Date, kami ay pangalawang araw, 2 days dito sa aming day 2 sa aming Vietnam tour. Ito ang kasasi tour uli, pasyal-pasyal uli mga kasasi. Ito na aming sundo, second day. Ito ang aming tour guide. Yung tour guide namin. Yan, second day tour. Abangan ang aming mga hour-hour mamaya. Pasyal-pasyal. Good morning, good morning. Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How old are you are? I'm fine. Sorry. Two more.
Two more.
Yeah, two more. So how about last night?
Okay, good.
Yeah, people come here for enjoy shopping.
Yes.
Everybody enjoy the shopping.
Yes.
Yeah, even me. I go everywhere and try to buy any, especially for French, for
Yung dalawa.
families.
Wala pa yung dalawa.
Yes, for friend and for family. The bus behind cannot come in, so let the customer move.
Oh,
Behind us have the bus.
yes.
Having no space for the people cross, so there's a little bit in front. You still
Danang
can
Beach.
find it in the South China Sea from American Town. Yes, only the
Danang
nickname.
Beach.
So we no cornmore, so we call the Danang Beach, the Meat Cake Beach, or the Eat Beach. That is the top.
Nadaanan namin ang
10
Danang Beach.
most beautiful beach of our country and the top 50 of the world. The top one is in the Indonesia, in the Philippine one. You have some very beautiful beach, right? So that is the top of the world. Here only top of 50 only. Yes, that's good already. When you come
Ayan na
here,
pala pinakamaganda nilang
the sand here is
Wala yan sa
good,
amin. Wala.
clean, and also free.
Wala sa beach natin to.
Free. After you get the
Ayun na
shower,
daw ang pinakamagandang
they
beach
will
nila
get you
dito.
free for take the
Walang
fresh
wala sa
shower,
Pilipinas.
and also for exchange free. Yeah. And it's 100 meter long around the beach. They go back
Ang kain ng
build the
kasoy.
one of tower, watch
Binigyan
tower.
kami ng
So the garden
kasoy
will look at you
ng tour
all the
guide.
time when you swimming. Yeah. So that's why this is free for everybody. Can go anytime
Bigyan
except
kami
the
ng
typhoon.
kasoy.
Yes,
Snack.
except the typhoon only. The typhoon is not safe, so they will be forbidden the people swim there, but suffer.
Tapos ng kasoy na ibinigay sa amin, ngayon bibigay naman kami ng macadamia. Macadamia naman daw. Free snack dito sa sa bus. Pinatitikman kami ng kanilang product na good for the skin
It's
daw.
easy to probe. It's easy, but cannot use by hand. Cannot use by sticks. Cannot use by knife. Only this one hand. It's only rustic. Only rustic. No, I think this is the natural taste. It's not in inside.
No force to open.
Huh?
No force to open.
This one. Every, hey, this one can.
It's so hard.
They not cut it.
Ganda na ano niya, may balat pa.
Yeah, and the rest one very easy. The rest one very easy. So this one, put inside. And tricks.
Thank you.
Mm.
Parang susi. Ha? Parang susi.
And tricks.
Okay.
That is it. It's one that had everything.
Harap.
Ay, malaki siya.
Sarap. Yummy.
Yeah, this is natural taste.
Ah, thank you.
Yes, get back. Put it back here.
Macadamia.
Put it back here.
Kasi binubuksan pa, may rapat tayo magbukas. Kala namin bibigay uli yung ano eh, yung nasa garapon. Kanina binigay sa garapon.
Ano ko sasakulin lang. Like this. Kanang sasakulin lang. Tapos iwan na lang. Parang
Ayan mga kasasi. Ano, second day namin. Sa aming tour. Dito kami sa Marble Mountain. Ayan. Ito ang aming ngayong first destination. First destination, Marble. Ayan, ang aming aakyatin. Ayun pala, elevator ang taas.
May elevator na.
Ayun o,
Oo.
ang taas.
Level 1 lang daw yun.
Level 1 yan?
Oo.
Ala.
After
Le-
niyan, maghahagdan pa. Ayoko na yata. Sa level 1 na lang ako.
I try my very best kung
Nasaan sila?
kakayanin. Dito tayo, picture tayo dito, te. Sa IR pa. Ito, oh. So,
So we can go up over there.
wala na naman kami. Maiwan na naman. Sa airport na sa Oslo sa pagkabiyan ng posto. Hirap po. Mahili ko guys.
Okay.
Yan. Okay, papa. Oh, sabi sa'yo, mo ganyan. Wow, taas. Ewan ko tingnan.
Mars, Superwoman. Ipad na.
Darna. Taas na. Nanginginig na yung
First
puso ko.
floor pa lang yan. At first, second floor.
First level pa lang.
Wala lang mo tuhod ko.
Dito lang ako. Hindi ako pa nito. Ay! Wow!
Ay, picture mo nga ako. Nauna na si Henry. Nauna. Saan? Nakita ko na yung ano niya, nagpa-add yan sa akin. 3 anak niya, maliliit pa. Mm. Saan?
This one. Sabi ko single ka rin.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh.
You want?
Ayun pa isa. Another one single. This one, my sister.
Come.
Right. Higher. It's not so crowded today. Sometimes we have to light
Inhale,
after light,
exhale.
1 hour, 40 minutes waiting. So this is the map of the water. Shang Mountains. The name of water mountains. And we are here. Those here.
Tucson
We are those
Mountain.
here. So after that we go number 2 and number 3. Go down there 20 steps. Slowly up because some big step. After that go down there.
Go
to see
down?
yes, go down about 20 steps to go the linear. But go there
Tucson.
our 200 years old there.
Mountain.
Behind the mountain, behind the
Tucson
temple,
Mountain.
they have the cave. This is also very nice cave. Small boy get a lot of statue inside. After that,
Hanggang 10
we
pala
will
to.
get back here. We will get back here. If you want to come back by elevator, go down. If you want to go up more, 120 steps up to see the number 10. This is not the waterfall, now, this is a live phone.
Ay, good luck for me.
The sunlight come into the hole from the ceiling and they go down like to be the live phone. Number 10. After number 10, we're this way out to the parking lot. No come back here to go elevator.
don't
okay?
come back.
No need to say 100 steps down. This is also 100 steps down. No need to go
bubunin
down.
natin yan hanggang doon.
Yes.
Papunta.
And under the a lot of, but there is nothing. This is nothing, so we no need to see. Only that one and that one.
Okay.
Yes. Under this one can see, but nothing. That's only this one cave. That's really dangerous. No need to go on. It's so high. Okay.
number
Number 2, number 3,
2,
number 9, number 10.
and
Okay.
10.
Yes.
2, 3,
Okay.
9, and
Okay.
And
So
then
from number 10, we go this way down
Go down.
to the parking lot.
Can we use the elevator?
No, only here. You have to come back here to go elevator. Same weight. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Madali nang
Salele, let's go.
Okay.
And our person created by marble. Everything here is marble. And on the sculpture is also marble.
Henry, come on.
When you go down here, the balloon is there. Maybe it's not balloon at one and somebody step, so slowly up and down. We have to take your time. Yes.
Papunta na kami ng mountain. Mountain na kami, mountain.
Đấy, xuống. Chỉ là đây thấy chưa rồi bọn. Chỉ. Để vô đâu.
Baka ayaw na.
Picture tayo dito kay Henry.
Oo. Henry, picture. Henry, picture.
Yes, pagoda. Giti pagoda, yes, pagoda.
Pagoda nung muna yung captured.
Kasal tayo dun. Ay, ano, hindi kayo papasok? Doon. Ah, ang ganda. Ayan, dito naman kami ngayon. Wow. Yun pa, oh. Yung tour guide natin, andyan na? Wala pa. Si Ate Nori. Ay, ka muna.
Sina Aliyah.
Ah, saan? Bumalik?
Oo, pumunta na sa taas. Babalik ka sa taas. O, papicture
Oh, dali.